Hi, I'm Urmila. Welcome to Urmi's Cakes and Cooks. Today I have my beloved mother with me. She's going to show us how to make durian ice cream. For those of you who don't know what a durian is, it is the king of fruits.
For those of you who love it.
Yeah, we do love it, but there are a lot of people who don't actually enjoy eating it because it has such a strong smell. But if you can get past the smell, it actually has a really nice creamy texture, like a custard-like texture. So that's what the inside of a durian looks like, and she's going to show you how to turn it into ice cream.
And that's the whole durian there.
Oh yeah, forgot that we have one right here. Okay, so Amma, what do you need?
The ingredients are there's just 4 ingredients: a whipping cream, condensed milk, powdered milk, and the durian itself. So it is 2 cups of whipping cream, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, because the durian itself is quite sweet, so we don't need to use so much. Then half a cup of powdered milk, and 1 cup of the durian pulp. I'll be taking it out.
Okay, if they don't want to add
you can do without the condensed
sugar?
milk if you don't want that additional thing.
The
Because
additional sugar.
whipping cream itself gives the body with the powdered milk, so the condensed milk I think adds more sweetness. Yeah.
Okay, so what are we going to start with?
So I'm going to put the whipping cream into the bowl to be whisked.
So we are whisking it to stiff peaks or soft peaks? Or
Soft
peaks. And this is just normal whipping cream, it's not thickened cream, right?
No, it's just normal whipping cream.
So yeah, the whipping cream,
Now the condensed milk,
and the milk powder as well?
yes, everything goes in now.
Oh,
It's very simple actually.
so okay, I know that a lot of people are going to say that they probably prefer not to put durian in it.
Yeah,
What other thing can they use? Use this or make this kind of ice cream
this
with?
is basically the base, then you can add the flavors like chocolate. You can whip it now. You don't want to overbeat it because then you'll split the cream.
Then also the ice cream will be very hard then, right?
Yeah.
You want it to be nice and creamy.
I'm going to use my hand to take the pulp out. Just 1 cup of pulp is enough for this amount. This durian has so much of flavor and it's so creamy.
Auntie Mami, what breed is this durian?
This one is Musang King. You got a Musang King. Okay, so now this 1 cup of durian pulp, I'm going to put it in the blender and just give it a quick blend so that you don't have chunky bits inside the ice cream. Let me just check it. Check it. Okay, so now this blended
There, you
pulp.
want this?
No, I think it's easier the small one. I'm adding it to the whipped cream. And I'm just going to mix it once. That's it. It's all mixed now.
I can just put it in here. So now with this ice cream, do we have to do anything specific to it?
No, we can either eat it like this as it is. It's actually very creamy and soft. If you look at the consistency, it doesn't melt like regular ice creams because of the creaminess of the durian itself. So you can serve it like this, or you can freeze it and then take it out of the freezer and leave it for about 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to scoop it. Okay. So now we just...
So shall we just, we'll put it into a container and put it in the freezer?
Yeah. Okay, the one we just made has been put away to be frozen, and this was done earlier so that we could show you how it is after it's been frozen and left outside for a few minutes.
It's very creamy.
Okay.
And then should we just put some
Yep. Well,
extra durian? Can never have enough durian, on a durian ice cream.
okay.
Yeah, I think that should be fine.
Okay.
And that's your durian ice cream done. So you can actually just eat it as soon as it was whipped.
Yeah.
You could have just eaten it like that, so you can actually serve it straight away. Or if you really think that that's too much, you can freeze some, but take it out and let it thaw to room temperature before you serve it out into a cup or a bowl. Or eat it just out of the container, whichever way you prefer. It's time to taste. It is so tasty. I think I might have to end the video here because I need to go and finish the rest of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Ma, for showing us how to do that.
Most welcome.
I hope you enjoyed the
I'm enjoying
video.
it too.
Happy cooking!